everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make these lampshades using this bottle. After removing the label from the bottle, make a marking just below this curve with this marker and then you cut it. After cutting it, the edges could be sharp and uneven. To make it blunt, just place this on the hot iron and keep rotating it. Don't keep it in a fixed place. When you place this bottle on hot iron, you will notice that the sharp and uneven edge becomes smooth and very even. After smoothing the bottom part, now we will remove this top part. Since it is very hard, we cannot cut it with a regular cutter. We will heat the old knife, any kitchen knife you can take, and then we'll cut this. So let's go and do that. This is how it looks after cutting the top part. And now, as we are going to place it on a wall, we have to cut this part. For that, we have to make a marking on the bottle. And remember that whatever bottle you take, leave 3/4 to 1 inch from top, as we have to place it on a wall. So let's make the marking first. After cutting this part, just check whether it is resting properly on the wall, hang it on the nail and then see. So now I checked, it is still a little not resting properly. So I am going to cut it little wider. Now let's start decorating it. We will cover this with M-Seal and then we will stick this bead on top. Now it's time to make the design on the bottle. So let's do it with the Fevicryl 3D outliner. after we have finished making the design, we will fill with Fevicryl glass colors. Here I want to mention, as this bottle is in roundish shape and these are liquid colors, they will smudge. So have little patience and then do it part by part. So this is how it's going to look after finished coloring. So coming to the displaying part, one way of displaying it is as a lamp, and another way of displaying it is use it as a decorative piece. I'm going to show you how to use it as a decorative piece now. For this, we are going to use an old CD. We are going to cut it in 4 equal parts. First, make the markings, 4 markings on the CD, and run this knife on the CD at least 5 to 6 times using little pressure, and then cut it with the scissors. After cutting into 4 equal parts, now we'll make a design which will match with this, what we have made. If you notice, this shiny part is coming out or something, you can put little glue, any glue, and it will stick properly, and when we make design, we can hide that part. So you don't have to worry about that. Now we will color it using Fevicryl glass colors. First, make 2 holes, one at the top and one at the bottom using any old needle, and here I am using some beads to make it more decorative. as they are very lightweight, you don't even require a nail to place them. Even a good double tape can hold them well. So this is how you can add more pieces and make it longer, and at the same time you can make so many lamps using different shapes of bottles and using different designs. So this is what Art Around House is all about. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.